Hi, I'm Seth Fenby from Quality Used Equipment, and this is a virtual inspection by video. The battery on this machine was dead. We'll replace it, but that's the reason we started out running the machine. This is a 2005 model Exmark 60-inch turf tracer. Got the 20 horsepower engine, and now we're going to walk around this machine. So here's the floating deck on it. It's in excellent shape, as you can tell. No cracks around the posts here. It's got like a mulch system on it right there that can be adjusted down for going around beds, and it can be adjusted for a rock deflector. Has the 20 horsepower Kohler Command SP engine on it with the Donaldson air filtration system. It's very handy for all kinds of different applications, the Donaldson air filtration system. Here's the ECS controls. Got the throttle, the choke, the blade engagement, speed control, the key switch, trash bag on the back. The hydro pumps are in nice shape. They're very responsive. They do show a little leak right around here. It's a simple, very simple seal, about $1. This half just needs to come off, and then that seal's put in. Very simple. We actually have the seals that we can supply. This machine has 1,044 hours on it. Serial number is 530879. Tires on the rear are 30 to 40%. Front tires are no flats. They're in nice shape. So this is a very nice machine. It's ready to put on the job. Feel free to give me a call, and I'll thank you very much.